install the back logo stickers on here. We'll clean it up first. We've given the back a bit of a wash off. We're going to actually use this Bowden's Flash Prep. It removes, you know, waxes, silicons, oils and stuff. So we'll use that in there first, and then we'll use the adhesion promoter that comes in the packet, the little wipes, just in case of anything. So we'll clean it off first, and then we'll use the wipes for the adhesion promoter. Oh, it's got a nice banana smell. It smells like the banana lollies. They've given us a few of these wipes, so well, when they drop on the floor, we'll have to grab a new one. All right, hopefully this one doesn't drop on the floor. There we go. Open that up. I don't mind using one colour if I have to. Yep. Liquid's dried out. Squeaky clean. All right. That dries pretty quickly actually. So we'll grab our letter. Grab the B for that one. So it's got 3M backing on the back of this as well. So that'll go in there. So let's peel the backing off. You can hold that. Grab our letter here. We'll start from the top left corner. And just touch that down. Then we can move the right side to where we need it. Middle letter. Well, it's all the same letter. Tack on the bottom. And then we basically want to push the air out as we go. So there's our first letter on. Peel that off. All I can say is ooh la la. And thank you to Yeehoo-ah. Alright, we'll grab a wipe for our next letter. Same process, so we'll use our little adhesion promoter wipe without dropping on the floor. Opening it up. So the Y comes in 2 sections for this. Alright, that's drying off. We'll try this time by peeling the letter off. Try not to touch the back as much as possible, of course. Just use one of the corners as a guide. Get one side down, then align the next bit up. And let the air escape one area. And there's our L installed, BLT. Alright, let's get the other half of the Y on. start from one end. Get that corner down. Get that corner over here pressed on in place. And finishing with the bottom. Grab my little cloth and push that in. Last but not least, the big D. Before we chuck that letter on, we'll give it a quick wipe. Not that I was going to forget the wiping part. But give it a quick wipe with the adhesion promoter. They're actually pretty sticky on the back. Real sticky. They've designed these pretty foolproof because they sit in that groove real nicely. Just work your way around getting the edge done. Getting all as straight as possible. Get the bottom corner in. Look at that. Personally, I wanted the matte black so it matched the other badges, but overall that is not bad at all. Pretty happy with that. Really makes the BYD stand out compared to before. Awesome.